it's Lisa and I'm always cooking, and today I am going to be making a Jerusalem salad. Now this probably is not traditional or authentic, but it's my Jerusalem salad, so let's make it. For the full recipe and printable instructions, please follow the link in the description box below. I have grape tomatoes, mini cucumbers, onion, lemon, mint, feta cheese, and salt and pepper. Trim, quarter, and slice the cucumber. Then add it to a large serving bowl. Have the grape tomatoes. Have you seen this trick? 2 lids and a knife? Amazing. Do it. Try it. And then add those to the serving bowl. Trim the leaves off of the stems of the mint and chop it up. Dice an onion. And I'm juicing an entire lemon. And finally, a sprinkling of salt, a dash of pepper, and the feta cheese.
Ladies and gentlemen,
it's a perfect salad to start the spring season. Thanks for watching.